life in the Philippines is beautiful. Beautiful beaches, beautiful people that are always nice and kind to you. What more can you ask for? And listen to the ocean. Okay, so let's do a room tour. This is the bathroom, the toilet, and they have hot water here and everything, so you're all set for hot water. And one, no cover because that's the way they do it here. This is outdoor. It's beautiful here at night. You can see the mountain. Beautiful to be retired and live this life. Ocean, swimming pool, travel. Nobody to tell you what to do anymore. The water's warm. There's the Atlantic Ocean coming in, and it's black sand. I never saw black sand on the beach. Yeah, it's kind of weird that it's all black or brown. Look how little these things are. You sit in there on that little seat and you look out there. This is all the souvenir shops. Yeah, I saw the chicken too. Yeah.